I'm sure that once in your life you've had your printer mess up on you, and maybe you're just at a point where you don't know what to do anymore and you've tried all that you can think of. Now, the printer that I have isn't really that good, and I would really not recommend getting this printer, but this printer was a gift, and so I'm thankful for the gift. But I have found that this printer, I just don't particularly like it, and I don't think it works too well. But anyway, I have a Canon printer. It's a Canon Pixma, and I'm going to use this thing until it breaks, and then I'll get a new one. I recommend getting a Brother printer. Those are really good. Depends on what you want to get on it, like color or scan, but I believe those are about $100, maybe a little more. So anyway, the first thing that you want to do, well, first off, if your printer is hardwired, that means that you have the blue Ethernet cord plugged into the back and it's not connected to your Wi-Fi. So you'll want to make sure that that's plugged in. You will also want to make sure that the power cord is plugged into the correct spot. That could be why that your printer is not working, or it's saying offline or something like that. Now, if it says your printer is out of paper, I hate to be so obvious, but make sure that you have paper in there and that it's in the correct spot. Can't tell you how many times that it says out of paper and then, there's no paper in there, or the printer's unplugged. So, yeah. So just make sure all those things first before you go into the actual troubleshooting steps on your computer. The first thing, okay, so if you're on a Mac, I can't really help you because I'm on Windows, but if you are on a Mac or something, or Linux or whatever, you have any questions, just comment below and I can probably help you. So the first thing that you want to do is go down into your search bar and type in printers. Click printers and scanners. And as you can see, I got 3. They're all the same ones. Mine is the Canon MX490 series printer. Now, a lot of times you'll see some kind of error right here, like maybe it'll say unavailable or error state, something like that. If you see that it says anything like that, what you'll want to do is turn your printer off. Okay, after you've turned your printer off, turn it back on and see if that cleared the error. If it didn't, then continue on to the next step. If you have a lot of things in the queue here, you will definitely want to clear that before you try to do anything. What you will want to do is you will want to remove the device. So turn your printer off. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, once it's turned off, you want to remove your device. Yes. Just go ahead and remove everything that says your printer's name, basically. Say yes and yes. Alright, turn your printer back on. Alright, and then click add a printer or a scanner. If you have it directly connected to your computer or whatever, it should automatically pop up. But I am using the Wi-Fi. Alright, there's my printer. Okay, so it only got the fax part of my printer, I believe. Let me just double does not exist. Okay, let me see. Okay, so as you can see, my printer is not working correctly, so this is a good learning moment for you guys. So turn your printer off again. You want to remove it again. If you have a print server, you will want to open up print management by typing it in and deleting the printer there as well. Alright, if you do not have a print server and it's just you, go over to the right and click print server properties. Click on drivers and then find your printer on here and delete all those drivers. So Canon, anything that says Canon, remove driver and driver package. Yes. Delete. Okay. Okay, and now turn your printer back on. Alright, after it's turned on, click on Add a Printer Scanner. Click on this one, the one that looks like it's the correct one. It's named a little weird for some reason for me. Alright, for some reason for me, it's only adding the fax part of my printer. So, alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to search the internet for my driver package for my printer. So make sure you find the printer model as well. So this should be on the internet and you can just download it. So mine is a Canon Pixma MX492. So I'm going to go ahead and search driver package download. Okay. And it says it's right here. I'm going to click on drivers and downloads. And I'm just going to go ahead and select the full package. Select and download. Alright, so you just want to go through this setup. Alright, the installation has finished, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the printer. Click Open Queue. Actually, click Manage. And then print a test page. And see what that does with your printer. You should get your test print page printed out after that. If you don't, comment below and tell me your steps and what you need help with, and I can probably take a look. Set it as default. Let's see. Yeah, set your printer as default. That way it defaults like to Excel and Word and all that. That way it doesn't try to do the weird. I think it tries to do something weird like OneNote or Microsoft, something like that. So thank you for watching this video. Again, I do offer information technology classes. Right now I still only have 2. My next one I do plan on working on next, which will take me a while. I still haven't started on it. I'm gonna start on it. Is a computer networking course, and I will do that one next. But right now, as I said, as I have 2 up, Introduction to Virtualization, and that one is $25. And then I do have a free one that explains what information technology is. This one's about an hour. This one has 5 lessons and it's free. It's pretty lengthy, and I have one person that enrolled in it and they gave me 5 stars. So shout out to, who is that? Alright, I can't look at it. But they did say something like good, great, and so thanks for the person that did that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe. I plan on making a tech tips video at least once a week. So if you have any suggestions or what you want to see next, just comment below or send me a message and I will make that video. So thank you again.